Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best smart light switches for Smartthings the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200. The HS200 is another great option that can be used as the best smart light switch for Smartthings. It features a simple design and it's one of the most affordable options on our list, so you won't have to spend too much money if you are looking for an easy way to turn your lights on or off from anywhere in your home. The HS200 is easy to install and you can even replace your old light switch with it, which means that the process of upgrading won't take too much time or effort on your end, unlike some other smart switches. You will be able to turn lights on or off from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, and you can set schedules for your home's lights to go on or off automatically. It also features a night mode that turns all of the lights in your house orange, so it doesn't blind you when you wake up at night if someone accidentally left them on. You will be able to control each individual light with this switch or turn them all off at once, and it also supports voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Once you find all of these features in one device, you can go ahead and buy it without having to worry about the results. You might also want to avoid products that require a hub in order to work properly with your smartphone or tablet. Some of them actually do, but others don't, which means that they won't be compatible with Smartthings at all, so make sure you double-check this aspect before making your purchase. Number 2. Our second best pick is Treatlife 2.4 GHz Smart Light Switch, 4-pack. The Treatlife is another excellent choice you should consider when looking for the best Smartthings light switch. It doesn't require a hub, which makes it one of the most affordable choices available on the market. The installation process can be completed in under 5 minutes, and all you need to do to connect it with your phone or other devices is open the application and press the Connect button. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa, so you can also control it using your voice if you have an Echo device in your home. You will be able to turn on or off each individual light or all lights at once and set a time when they should go on or off automatically by setting schedules for each light. The Treatlife is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, so you won't have any problem controlling it if you switch phones or want to give your tablet to someone else in the family who wants complete control of their house's lighting system. It also supports voice control through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Microsoft Cortana depending on which platform you are using it on. These are just some of the best Smartthings light switches that you can choose from if you want to have complete control over every aspect of your home's lighting system. There are many more options available online that you can consider, but these devices have been hand-picked to offer you the best features and performance. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Lutron Caseta Smart Home Dimmer Switch and Pico Remote Kit. The Lutron Caseta Smart Home Dimmer Switch and Pico Remote Kit is the best Smartthings light switch for most people. This device has a lot of features, including dimming capabilities that are compatible with many types of bulbs: incandescent, LED, CFLs or halogens. You can also hook it up to your phone and dim the lights from anywhere in your house. The installation is also straightforward, so you don't have to worry about hiring someone for help. All you need to do is mount the device on the wall by using screws or adhesive tape, both included, connect it via Wi-Fi with a hub that supports Lutron Caseta such as Smartthings, and then use the app to assign its location. The Lutron Caseta also supports IFTTT technology, which allows you to create custom recipes that can turn on or off your lights depending on how many times they are pressed. They are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, via Siri, Google Assistant and Nest. The Lutron Caseta has a battery backup that can last for 40 hours, so you won't have to worry about your lights being switched off during an outage. It's also energy efficient and works with dimmable LED or CFL bulbs, which makes it perfect if you want the best of both worlds, great quality and high efficiency. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.